Hello, this is Dominic from the ReCap team at Autodesk, and I'll teach you about ReCap Photo Beta. So this second video is about creating a project with GCPs or ground control points in the right coordinate system. ReCap Photo now supports geographic coordinate system that is standard across all Autodesk products like AutoCAD Civil 3D and InfraWorks. So again, you would select photos coming from your UAV here on my disk. And then you will go to the control points, ground control points editor or survey point editor. So for this project, I know that the data has been collected along this map. And this data is now available in a text file that I see here. So what I will do, I will copy paste this data into my editor here, Control V here, to avoid any typing error, any typing mistake. This is only Control C, Control V only works with a text file, not an Excel sheet, for example. So the first thing you want to do also is select the coordinate system that has been used for this survey. I know this is California 83V in meters. And then what you need to do next is to put each one of those GCP in at least 4 different photos that match. So the first thing you want to do is click on one of those GCP, look at the map very closely. So I know that 103 was in front of the door. Look for the photos where 103 should be located. I can zoom in, I can click here, and that will be my first marker. I can adjust it slightly here, and this is done. So I need to place this GCP in at least 3 more images. So I'll do that here as well. Zoom in, click here, down. Third photo here, zoom in, click, down. And the last one would be here, for example. Zoom in, slightly adjust it, and this is done. So now I have my GCP set, 103 GCP set in 4 photos. I can browse through the 4 photos to make sure that this is correctly located. And I would say this is done for marker 103. So you would do that for all the other markers. Something interesting to see here, you have a checkpoint toggle, so you can decide if 103 or any one of those markers will be used by the stitching engine to make sure that we get the proper accuracy, or they just use as checkpoint. That means they will just be used to measure the difference between the actual survey point and the corresponding virtual points in your 3D data. And those checkpoints will also be used in our accuracy report. So once you have done that with all GCPs, you just quit the survey point editor, you go to create, set a project name again, select which reality data type you expect from this processing. So of course a mesh, a point cloud, an auto view, there will be all geolocated. And also ReCap Photo allows the output coordinate system to be specified in a projected coordinate system like UTM or any other state plate coordinate system. So I would use just another one, will be this one in meter, say OK, and then start. And this will take you through the process of, again, uploading the photos to H360, getting the result, after some time being notified by an email, and then you'll go back to your H360 account to view the data and download the data.